Hi, I'm Kathy. I've worked in either fast food or grocery stores all my life. I have a GED education. I didn't go to college. I have no training with computers or technology or anything like that at all. I downloaded ChatGPT app on my phone because I had heard that it could make cute little portraits of your pets. I thought to myself, I wonder if I could start my own YouTube channel. I started asking it questions like, how difficult is it to start a YouTube channel at my age, 55, with no computer experience? I had written down some notes here of just different things that I'm noticing that is changing within me. I'm learning new things. I'm tackling hard problems. And my YouTube journey, it's not just content creation for me. I'm memory keeping. It's proof of how far I've come.